Welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to do Y. Y makes three sounds. Sometimes it says y, y, y. Sometimes it says I. Like buy, this one, I buy. Sometimes it says E, like mommy, daddy, bunny, funny. So now we're going to do Y says I, not here, but what I. I buy. Down by the station early in the morning, see all the puffer billies all in a row. See the engine driver pull the little handle. Chuck, chuck, choo, 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 off we go. Toot, toot. I buy by the station. My. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. My Bonnie lies over the sea. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my Bonnie to me. Tura, I try. Tura, I try. I'm trying to do my work. Supper, I spy. Supper, I spy. I spy with my little eye something red. Then I look around and I see something red, and that's it. Fuller, I fly. Fuller, I fly. Fly, 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 the butterfly. In the meadow, it's flying high. In the garden, it's flying low. Fly, 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 the butterfly. Because he likes the garden, he flies low in the garden, but the meadow is only grassland, so he flies high. Dura, I dry. Dura, I dry. Wash your dirty hands. Wash your dirty hands. Rub and scrub. Then dry your dirty hands. You have to wipe it dry because then you go and touch something else and then your hands will get dirty again. First you wash it and then you dry it. For I fry. 5 little sausages frying in a pan. Sizzle, 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 one went bang. For I fry. SH says sh. Sh, I, shy. She's very shy. She doesn't like to talk to many people. She's a shy girl. Sutta, I, sty. This is a sty. The pigs live in a sty. It looks just like this, okay? Pigs roll in the sty, pigs roll in the sty, wibble wobble, pigs roll in the sty. Sula, I, sly, a sly fox. He comes creeping up to the chickens and he steals all the chickens and the rabbits. Sula, I, sly. That means he does things when nobody is watching him and nobody is looking at him. Circle, I, sky. Circle, I, sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Were I, why? Why is a question. Why is the sky blue? Why did it rain so heavily yesterday and it did not rain heavily today? Why? So many questions. Nylon on nylon. Nylon on nylon. Now, nylon is a material and you don't get it from a plant. You don't grow it and you get it from a plant like cotton. Nylon is made in the factory. They mix lots of chemicals together and they make a thread that is waterproof, and that's how they make nylon. Kara I in crying. Kara I in crying. Why are you crying? It's not the end of the world. Stop crying. Get over it. Kara I in crying. Sula I. IGH says I. Oh, we're not going to do this word. Sorry. Okay. Re. I. Rely. Who do you rely on? Who do you depend on? I. Rely. I rely. I depend on dad and mom to look after me, or my teachers. I-ing, drying. I-ing, ing. I'm drying my hair. I'm drying my hair with a hair dryer. See, that's a hair dryer. I'm drying my hair with a hair dryer. I-ing, frying. I-ing, frying. I'm frying some fish. I'm frying some bananas or anything. I-ing, flying. I-ing, flying. Oh, we are flying in an aeroplane, looking through the window, watching the clouds go by. Flying in an aeroplane, looking through the window, up so very high. I apply. I apply. I'm going to apply some cream on my body. I would plywood. Now this is plywood, okay? I have a desk and on the top I put plywood. Plywood is really very strong. Okay, I like to put that plywood on laminated wood. I would plywood. I-ing, trying. I'm trying to do my work. Can you stay quiet? I'm trying to finish my homework. I-ing, crying. He's crying again. Babies in the bus go wah 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 wah. Okay, so after I satisfy. So after I satisfy. I'm satisfied. I have a house, I have water, I have food, enough. I have mommy and daddy, enough. Satisfied. Type. Which type would you like? You like this type or that type? Which type of clothes would you like? Pile on, pylon. Pile on, pylon. Pylon is a type of material. Umbrellas are made of pylon because they're very strong and waterproof. The water will not come down. So if you hold an umbrella, the water pylon keeps the water off. It won't fall on you. That's how you protect yourself with an umbrella. P-I-T-H says the on python. On python. A python is probably, after a boa constrictor, the python is really very big. The biggest snake in the world would be the anaconda. He's really big. But this python is also very big. He can eat you up. He can just swallow you up. Python, python. I spry. I spry. I'm feeling spry. I'm jumping and I'm so lively today. I'm spry. I July. And July is a month. Now I'm going to sing another song, and they are the months of the year. Are you ready? There are 12 months. There are 12 months. There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December. These are the months of the year. And I reply. You reply. I ask you a question and you have to give me a reply because I expect a reply. I need an answer. Otherwise, why am I asking a question? Am I talking to myself? No. Now we're going to read from the beginning to the end. We're making trains. First sound, last sound. Are you ready? Good. Buy, my, try, try, spy, spy, fly, fly, dry, dry, fry, fry, shy, shy, sty, sty, sly, sly, sky, sky, why, nylon, nylon, crying, crying, slight, slight, rely, rely, drying, drying, frying, frying, flying, flying, apply, apply, plywood, plywood, trying, trying, crying, crying, satisfy, satisfy, type, type, pylon, pylon, python, python, spry, spry, July, July, reply, reply. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.